So welcome to the BudgetEase Broadcast. Hi, I'm Kathy,
And I'm Cheryl.
and we're QuickBooks experts, and we're working really hard to grow our business, and we're here to help you grow your business too.
So today's topic is how to make bookkeeping fun.
Right. And one of our core values is having fun while getting things done. And this is a great topic because so many of the people we talk to tell us that doing bookkeeping is so anxiety provoking. They really get worried and upset about doing their bookkeeping.
Well, that's because a lot of our clients come in and their bookkeeper or accountant will say to them, "Oh, what are you doing? Why did you do it this way?" And make them feel really bad. So maybe instead of taking that sort of abuse, you can get another bookkeeper or get some training.
Right. And what we also find is really horrible is that Intuit is constantly having commercials that say this is so easy, and so we think it should be. It reminds me of a Pinterest craft where you go to try to do it and it never turns out exactly the same.
No, I always glue my fingers together.
Yeah, so be kind to yourself. Don't believe what people are telling you. Bookkeeping is a little harder than you think.
And you know what? Get training. A little bit of training is really going to go a long way and make your life so much easier.
Yes, and a lot of small business owners, they just don't have time.
They don't. They're busy doing sales and marketing and employee related stuff. So bookkeeping tends to be last.
What we recommend is that you set a small amount of time each week to stay on top of it so it doesn't become a unsurmountable problem that you really just don't know what to do next.
So to recap, find an accountant or bookkeeper that's kind and professional.
Be kind to yourself. Bookkeeping's harder than you think.
Get some training. It's going to help.
Right, and last but not least, set aside some time every week to keep on top of your bookkeeping. So thank you so much for joining us. We are here to help you. You can find us if you have any questions, at budgetease.biz. Thanks so much.
Thank you.